Maximize productivity in minimal space. With its unrivaled flexibility, the compact G1 series offers a wide range of dynamic production styles, configurations, and performance options to address your manufacturing goals with ease. Floor space and productivity improvements. Process integration for a dynamic range of workpieces. Quality assurance through in-process measurement. Excelling in mass production, the wheelhead traverse design of the G1 series dramatically reduces non-processing times and provides unprecedented productivity. Due to its unique, compact design, the highest levels of productivity are achieved in the smallest possible footprint. In addition to increasing overall productivity per square foot, further efficiency benefits are notably impactful, such as shortened walking distances for machine operators and reduced investment in conveyor systems. The G1's double center drive can grind at all stages without reversing the workpiece. One chucking enables greater process integration and drastically shortens grinding times. The ability to grind workpieces of different lengths and diameters in a single machine without changeovers offers tremendous flexibility, empowering manufacturers with increased responsiveness, which is critical when facing ever-changing demands and production fluctuations. Highly efficient grinding with CBN wheel ensures long-lasting peak performance and remarkable long-term accuracy. Equipped with a real-time visualization function of surface roughness, the machine makes intelligent truing decisions based on conditional variables and measured values. The stabilization of workpiece surface properties prevents defective workpieces. Wheel life is maximized through efficient, complete utilization, leading to significant tooling cost reduction. Robotic transfer that easily adapts to ongoing production changes and loading automation that is both flexible and simple, suitable for mass production. Customized proposals are available based on your unique applications, requirements, and production goals. Sleep in, wake up functionality. Stops unneeded functions during standby, greatly reducing power consumption during lunch breaks and pauses.